cheating the rapid egg cooker. Says on the box that it will cook 6 eggs. I'm going to go ahead and remove the cooker from the box and get it set up to show you how you can cheat the rapid egg cooker. Get all the contents removed here, and there is a handle that goes into the egg holder from the bottom, and it snaps into place. This allows you to lift the eggs in and out of the cooker. Well, I'm not even going to bother to put that in. I'll leave it out, and this is how I cheat the rapid egg cooker. Get it plugged in and add about a 1/4 cup of water, and then I'll need to poke the big end of the egg with a needle that comes with the rapid egg cooker and place the small end down into the holder. I'll go around and do this to all the eggs, and here is the 6th egg. And now I'm going to poke a hole in the 7th egg and put it right in the center where normally the handle would be. And we will let that cook for about 5 minutes. There, now the time has gone by and the alarm has gone off, and there we have fully cooked 7 eggs in the rapid egg cooker, a baker's half dozen. Now all you need to do is remove the eggs with a pair of tongs. I get the eggs removed here, and there is the 7th egg, fully cooked. Now you know how to cheat the rapid egg cooker. And remember, do something nice for someone today.